Sous ce ciel, je veux...
I love it. It's so much fun, and this took just a few minutes. So I've been having a blast with the music model. I love to use it in a kind of a different way where I start with like my own creation and then generate stems or other instruments to layer on top of that performance that I made. So I'm going to do that now, where I'm going to start with the piano, and then I'm going to add some violins and maybe some strings and a vocalist on top of that, and we'll see what we end up with. Cool. Awesome. A little bit of unintentional jazz there, but that's okay. So this prompt here I have is a beautiful violin solo playing with vibrato and an emotional style, an emotional style in B minor at 90 beats per minute, no piano. So let's see what we got. Ooh, so good. Oh, I love it. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to download that now. Throw that into our project. I don't think I have to worry about any kind of syncing because it sounded like it was just right from the get-go. I'm just going to cut off the end here, and well, we'll see how it sounds. But I am going to turn this down just a hair, and then turn off the metronome. Let's have a listen. Right about there. So gorgeous. I love it. Awesome. Okay, and then I'm going to generate, let's come back here. And I have a prompt for a vocal because I definitely want to get a vocal in there. And so I have, after I put this in, I have a beautiful girl singing an interesting romantic love song and softly in French, a cappella in B minor at 90 beats per minute. So that's a lot there, but the important things are that we're explicitly stating, you know, the language. We want her to be a cappella, so no instruments with her, and then as well as the key and then the BPM or the tempo. So let's have a listen.
Je marche seule au crépuscule, ton sourire guide mes pas. Ton souffle douce particule réveille l'éclat en moi. Oh, mon amour, mon unique étoile.
I love it. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to download that, and then I'm going to put it into my project. And we'll just want to make sure it syncs up. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. And we'll play around with it, and then we might mess with the syncing just a bit. So let's have a listen.
Je marche seule au crépuscule.
We don't need to, really.
Ton sourire guide mes pas. Ton souffle douce particule réveille l'éclat en moi. Oh, mon amour, mon unique étoile. Sous ce ciel, je veux...
I love it. It's so much fun, and this took just a few minutes, and you can just keep going. You can keep adding percussion. I would add like a French horn in this just because that's like my favorite instrument. But yeah, you get the idea. Like you can use it as a supplementary tool. Of course, having just a one-shot song is always fun. But if you're a musician and you play guitar or a piano or anything or sing, it's really, really fun to experiment in this way. So I hope you enjoyed that.